Alright, so we have reached into the final part of this subsection where we are going to add the final plot there, 1 week % increase or 1 week changes. So let's go ahead and do that there. So we are going to first take the 1 week changes and then 1 week % changes. So we are gonna add here. Let's go ahead and copy the first one. We have there 1 week change. Alright. So we have there 1 week change. In that, what we are going to do, in fact, we need to put it, in fact, let's go ahead and copy it here and paste it here, then cut it here. We have, yes, so the first one is week change, that's the WC. Let's make it WC. And instead of this new cases, I'm gonna make there 1 week change. And then we have X is equal to 1 week change as well. And inside this text, we have there 1 week change. Apart from this, let's go ahead and make here some random color. I'm just gonna change a little this random color. And then finally, we are going to take the final one, 1 week % increase, copy it and paste it here. So what we are going to look here, we are going to look there where the populations are greater than, where the new confirmed cases are greater than 100. So there I'm gonna put the confirmed cases which are greater than 100. That means it will only consider those cases where cases are confirmed cases are more than 100. And then we are gonna sort the values 1 week % increase, and then we are gonna put that here inside this X, and then we have text there as well. Let's go ahead and change this color a little. I'm gonna just make it 0. Perfect. So we have here prepared the data. We have WC, and instead of fig P, we need to make it a % week increase. So make it WI. All right. So let's go ahead, copy it and paste it here. Once you do this, then we are gonna make here WC, that's the week change, and week increase in %, or WP was also right name. There we have row 5 and there row 5. All right, let's go ahead and run it. Once you run it, you will see there we have got a confirmed cases and death reported, recovered cases, active cases, death per 100 cases, recovered 100 cases. Then we have there a new cases. All right, and then we have there a cases per million people. All right, and then finally, I think we have missed this last one. Let's go ahead and put the, yes. So we have missed that here, 1 week change. We are gonna put there 1 week change, and then we are gonna put there 1 week % increase. Perfect. So now you see there we have all these very nice looking plot. I think 1 week % increase is there. It seems we have missed something still. Let me sorry. Let me see what we are missing there. I think that's okay. WC and the WI data. So the new data is being added there. 1 week change and 1 week % increase. That's okay. Do I have anything here? Yes, we are missing actually the comma here. All right, now let's go ahead and run it. Then you will see here we have got there 1 week changes and 1 week % increase. If you zoom out this plot a little more, then you will be able to see here a better plot. All right. So these plots are far more better, which we were seeing earlier. All right, so this is great. All those things are great, really. It looks really cool to me. Alright, so this is all about in this lesson. In the next lesson, we will start with a scatter plot for deaths versus confirmed cases.